Alright, that's cool. Bitch, gang. I'm the man. I'm the man. Gang.
Perro, no está haciendo nada.
You ready?
Noche de loco.
Boy, Jaime.
No mames.
About to tint this hoe. Nigga Carl. Hit him up.
Salud.
Right here, boys. Taking off the headliner off the OBS because it was dangling. With just little clips right there. And two more over there for the plastic trims. And then has some Velcro right here on both sides. Just rip it down and then it just slides off from over here. So we're gonna probably reuse this and stick it back on there. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so we started off with the top corner, hitting it with the adhesive, and then
We right here. Fucking Boichi's garage. Like a nice, come on.
and then we're just going down with it so we don't get any creases or whatever. Let's see how it goes because it's our first time doing it.
What the fuck this shit up?
Oh, I understand you. Miren, tacuaches. Andamos valiendo verga, so that fucking shit, it didn't line up. I think the last owner dried it and tried to re-stick it on there too because of all this fucking excess glue everywhere. So we're gonna try to add this. Pochi's idea. Damn. So we're gonna try to put this on the edge and then tuck it in. So hopefully it fits. Hit me up if y'all need them burners too. So we measured from that side to this side, made sure it was all straight. Now we're looking for a clamp so we can hold it together, just so we won't lose our measurements. And then we're gonna spray with the adhesive, cause the last owner fucked that shit up. It's dumb, man. So we got these fucking clamps clamped up. Now we're gonna spray it.
This says clap.
So me way.
Nigga, don't put hasta acá, no, like más acá.
Well, I'm just gonna spray this thing.
I will go. No, pendejo. This nigga.
No.
Alright, hit the thing. Just hit the thing.
It's not gonna do nothing, nigga.
I know,
it's just
nigga,
fucking
I'll be
adhesive,
sticky
bro.
and shit. Bro,
Fuck
quit
your
that shit,
bro. It's not like you play no instrument, nigga.
Nigga, hit the fucking, like, yeah, hit the carpet and shit. Nigga says the carpet.
Alright, lay that shit.
Fuck, we see we stretched it now.
Nigga, shut your dumb ass up. You stretched it. Do we look? Damn, so I just got all these clips, right? And my fucking phone died. So we gonna redo this shit. Go back. Undo it. Ugly ass. Alright, so now.
Well, it's crooked over there. That's the thing. We didn't have like a specific line issue right here. Look. Fuck are you recording, nigga?
I just crooked that shit. Fuck, nigga. Hold on. We'll be right back.
Quit playing, nigga.
I'm looking at the camera and real life.
No, I think they know what the fuck POV is.
Coming out pretty crisp. All of it.
Hit the top. You should have hit the top too, so I would have just like laid it up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, normally.
Well, we'll just fucking do that shit after.
What's that fucking crooked down there and shit? Mames, puta madre.
What?
Robó esto.
Just pégalo en stretching.
Hágala,
Trial and error, trial and error.
See what this is gonna be clamped up, like, you know.
Yeah.
Un puto tope que se caiga esa madre. Nigga, that's what we just did right now and it fell. What's up with that?
Yeah, just that's because you're letting it fall.
Bro, cause you told me that it fall. Holy shit.
We concentrated as a bitch. It got quiet as fucking here.
You can put music behind that shit, nigga. A ver, güey. ¿Cómo se ve?
Moment of truth.
That's all fucked, nigga.
Bro.
Yeah.
Moment of truth. Moment of truth. To see if we did it raw or we asked. Saludos al cut.
A la verga.
¿Tienen placas mamalonas o no?
What?
La placa right there.
Hold up.
Aquí bien placoso.
El cut. Oh, no va a caber, cut.
¿Por qué?
¿Sí lo metiste allá?
Ya. Why want it?
Nigga, because it's too thick.
Hell no.
They're gonna have to take out the back piece.
Hold on. Slide it.
Mételo bien por allá, güey. Pues no está ni metido por allá, güey. This side is all in.
Alright, boys, so we rigged it up a little bit, but we made it work. So you know, everything's back in like normal. We put that little end piece. Put these back in there. Crispy, crispy. Now, before it was dangling, and now it's smooth all around. Gave it a little bit of taste with the banner. He usually runs another banner over here. You know what? Let's throw it on so they can see. All right, boys, here's the finishing product. No more dangle. Matches the dash. Sneak peek to big things. Let me know what you guys think. Give us some tips for next time or something. successful date. Bro might cop my wheels. Let's see if he likes them. Bro just cashed me out on the wheels.